In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your OBS Studio with default settings. Understanding how to reset your software can be incredibly beneficial, whether you're troubleshooting an issue or simply want a fresh start. OBS Studio is a powerful tool for video streaming and recording, and knowing its ins and outs can really enhance your user experience. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open up the OBS Studio app. OBS Studio's interface can look complex at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes a very intuitive tool. After you've opened the app, the next step is to look towards the top menu bar where you'll see the option labeled Profile. The Profile menu is a key feature in OBS that allows you to manage different configurations. It's where you can create and customize multiple settings profiles, which can be very useful if you switch between different broadcasting setups or projects frequently. Once you've clicked on Profile, you will see several options, but what you want to select is New. This step is crucial for resetting your OBS to default settings. By clicking New, you're essentially creating a fresh profile, untouched by any previous customizations or changes you might have made. This blank slate is identical to the default settings that OBS Studio is originally set to when first installed. It's important to highlight why you might want to do this. Resetting your settings can help if you're facing performance issues or if you've tried out various settings that didn't work out as you planned. Knowing how to reset OBS can save you from reinstalling the whole app, which is a much bigger task. Now, creating a new profile doesn't touch your original settings, which are neatly stored away and can be accessed if needed later. This ensures you can always revert back to them if you choose. The new profile is a great way to experiment without any risk of losing your previous setup. This function ensures that you can test new configurations, especially if you're trying to streamline your video or audio settings for a particular type of stream or recording. Remember, it's always helpful to name your new profile something memorable, especially if you're planning to keep it for future use. For instance, you could name one Default or Clean Slate, whatever serves as a good reminder of this fresh setup. That's all there is to it. Resetting your OBS Studio to its default settings can be done quickly and easily, effectively allowing you to start from scratch whenever needed. With these steps, you should be able to streamline your experience with OBS Studio and tailor it precisely to your needs, boosting both your productivity and the quality of your streams or recordings. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more.